Alright, so today I have a bit of a solo mission. I am leaving Malta to Lyon to meet with Gabriel. Now there's nothing new with heading to the airport, but it's my first time navigating the airport on my own, mostly because I'm usually the airport princess. I plan all the trip, then it's up to Gabriel to navigate the airport, the trains and whatsoever. So we'll see how this goes. I'm actually looking forward to it. I'm a bit worried about the train, especially since I'm going to land in the evening, but yeah, I'm still confident. So the plan is I'm getting a taxi to the airport. Then I've got some time to kill at the airport, hop on the flight, land in Lyon, then find the train to take me to the city, and hopefully I'll meet Gabriel at the hotel. So keep watching to see how this turns out. Made it on the plane. This, I bought the whole row because I'm an introvert. So the flight is like 2 hours, 20 minutes long. Just going to catch up on my Netflix. I downloaded the series and I realized I did not download episode 1. So I have to start from episode 2. I'm on my way, Gabriel. I'm going to say this is quite boring without my travel buddy.
The passengers should shortly be passing through the cabin at our onboard selection of drinks and snacks. For more information.
She made it.
Okay, and I managed that just fine. Next stop, exploring Lyon together in the next video.